Today what we're going to be doing is playing with some slime, and it will be totally fun. I mean, seriously. Wednesday. Well, like, I can't describe it. I'm so sorry. Will not stay up there. Okay, it's just like so slimy. Huh. Oh, okay, but okay, I am so excited. Like, oh my god, yeah, I cannot wait to show you my dog. Well, I have two dogs, but one's a little turd. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you them. Gotta put my slime down. Okay, put it back up. Okay, here we go. Demon, come here, bud. Yeah. Jax, yeah. Here's how oh, he won't come in. Here's my doggy, Demon. He's itchy. You itchy, yeah, that's him, Jax. So, this is a emoji plant, but can you see? I haven't really put plants on it yet, but I have something for me to try. Jax, please stop jumping on me. I gotta get this dog. I can't get it. I'm sorry. I dropped my phone. Take a balloon and a straw. Take the end that opens, put it over the straw. You gotta hold on to it. That's what I forgot to do. Whoops. Where's the hole? Guys, there's a hole in my straw. Oh no, there's not. This is hard to blow up. Jax, why are you on me? Okay, second thought, that will not work. Okay, take your straw. Okay, I'm put this in the see. Okay. Ow! Ew, my hands are like so soft. Oh, okay. No. So, guys, please just subscribe. And here's Jax. Here, Jax. Okay, get down, bud.